solid following. Today we'll be looking at how to solve quadratic equation. So we have equation on the board. The first one is 2y minus 7 bracket y plus 2 equal to 0. So to get all the factors we have here, we have y2 minus 7 is equal to 0. Y is the other one, y plus 2 is equal to 0. So for this first one, we have a y2, then we'll move it to the other end, we add 7 to both sides. Adding 7 to the whole sides, this 7 will cancel each other. We'll have 2y equal to 7. So y here will be 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is the same thing as 3 1 over 2. So that is for the first equation. Now the second part of the equation. The second part of the equation, we have y plus 2 equal to 0. Now to get these two out of this place, we have 2 plus minus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, we have minus 2. So, should be minus 0. Now this will cancel out. 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2. So this other one, the two factors we have here, or the root of the equation, is what? 3 whole number, 1 over 2, and minus 2. So the next one, let's go over to the second one. So the second one, we have a 4b minus 12 equal to 0, b minus 5 equal to 0. So for this 4b minus 12 equal to 0, to remove this from here, we have to get this out of here now, all you do is to add 12 to both sides, plus 12. This one will cancel out. We have 4b equal to 12. Then b will be 12 over 4. That will give us 3. So for the second factor there, we have b minus 5 equal to 0. So b minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0 plus 5. This will cancel out. Have b to be what? 5. So the two, b is either 5 or 3. Thank you. Let's try the other one. So for this other one, we have 5 plus 3 m equal to 0. 2 minus 5 m equal to 0. Now this one, what we do here is that to remove the 5, subtract those 5 from both sides. Okay, let's do this first. Equal to 0. Subtracting 5 from both sides, plus 3m equals to equal to 0 minus what? 5. This will cancel out. We have 3m equal to minus 5. M will be equal to 5 over 3. That will give us 1 over 3. 1 whole number, 2 over 3. Minus. So for the next one, we have the second one. We have we're solving this now. We have 2 minus 5m equal to 0. So 2 minus 2 minus 5m equal to m 0 minus 2. This will cancel out. We have minus 5m equal to minus 2. So m will be equal to minus 2 divided by um, 5. Then this will cancel out. What we have here will be 2 over 5, giving us m to be equal to 2 over 5 and what 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 over 3. So the last one, we're going to solve the last one. Okay, this last one here, 4b minus 3 brackets squared mean the same thing as 4b minus 3 and then 4b minus 3 all in bracket equal to 0. So this one will give us minus 4b minus 3 equal to 0, and then we'll have another one, 4b minus 3 equal to 0. So relatively they are going to be the same thing. 4b plus minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0 plus 3. This will cancel out. We'll have 4b equal to what? 3. Then b will be what? 3 over 4. That means the same thing will happen here. So what we'll have here should be 2 twice of what? 3 over 4. Thank you so much for being part of this class.